Hello, scholars. In this problem, we're going to work with a fairly complicated problem. We're going to look at this Westlife concert and all these four different problems on this concert and the information we can get from this concert poster. So, first problem. If Mr. Green bought 3 children's tickets and 2 adult tickets, how much money did he pay for the tickets altogether? Well, if each ticket for the child is $50, then 3 children's tickets is 3 times $50, which is $150. Put the dollar sign there. And 2 adult tickets are each $120, so it's 2 times 120 gives me $240. And we can add those together and we get $390. So the answer should be $390. How long would the concert last? How long would the concert last? Well, if the concert starts at 7 p.m. and ends at 10:30 p.m., we can use our handy dandy formula, final time minus initial time. Final time is 10:30, initial time is 7, to figure out how long the concert lasts. 30 minus 0 is 30, and 10 minus 7 is 3. So it should last 3 hours and 30 minutes, which is the first answer choice in question 2. What's the date 2 days after the concert? Well, this takes a skill that you should learn in the calendar section, but the date 2 days after the concert, we see that the current date is September 21st for the concert. So a day later will be the 22nd, and another day after that, 2 days later, will be the 23rd. So the answer will be here. If Mr. Thomas spends $220 on the tickets, how many tickets did he buy? Now, let's think about these answers. Can it be one ticket? Well, let's think about the possibilities for one ticket. It can either be a children's ticket or an others ticket for adults. And since neither of these are $220, it's definitely not one. So I'm going to erase 1 and put a big X on it. Well, if there's an X on the 1, let's talk about 2. Let's find the most expensive tickets. The most expensive tickets are these. If I bought 2 of those, it would be 2 times $120 equals $240. That's not the same thing as I got. So it's probably not 2 of the most expensive. So let's go 1 cheaper. 1 expensive and 1 cheap. That'd be $120 plus $50. And that gets me $170. Not quite right. Now if I get 2 cheap tickets, 2 times 50, that's not even close to being right. That's $100. So none of these are right. So it can't be 2 either. So it must be 3. But let's think about 3 tickets. How can I find 3 tickets, some of them at different prices obviously, so that it gets $220? Well, how about this? It can't be 3 at $120. I can't buy $320 tickets. That would give me $360. That's a problem. It can't be 2, because as I've already talked about, 2 plus a cheap one, because 2 expensive ones on its own is already greater than $220. So we must know it must be at least one $120 ticket. And since there's 3 tickets total, it must be 2 of the children or seniors tickets. So 2 times 50. And this is 100. So 120 plus 100 equals 220. So the answer is 3 tickets.